Hey, what's up guys? Today is another video on Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So let's get started. Photos allegedly showing Samsung's unannounced Galaxy Note 20 Ultra have been shared by YouTuber Jimmy Is Promo. The pictures could be the first real-life glimpse we have seen of new Note series. Samsung tends to announce new Galaxy phone in August each year. We can also see what look to be the Note 20 Ultra volume rockers and power button located on the right side of the device, similar to the S20 Ultra. On the last year Note 10, they were positioned to the left of the screen. Overall, however, the change seems minor compared to last year's device. On the rear of the phone, we see a similar camera layout to the leaked image from the earlier this month. The rear camera layout appears to include a folded zoom lens, and say mobile notes that the sensor to the right could be either a 3D top sensor or a laser autofocus. In terms of software, the Note 20 is reportedly running version 2.5 of Samsung's One UI. Samsung tends to release its Galaxy Note phones in late summer following an announcement in early August. Bearing a delay due to the global pandemic, that means we could be just a few weeks away from an official reveal. Along with the Galaxy Note 20 and Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, Samsung also expected to launch the Galaxy Fold 2 and the Galaxy Z Flip 5G at the online Unpacked event that's taped for August 5. Although an official market launch date has not been revealed, the reports suggest that only the 5G variant of the model will be released in South Korea. So that's it. I hope you like the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to X Chaudhary Tech. Thank you.